Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. I'm here meeting up with my boy Ricky T today. Ricky got his drop lines out. I thought he was out here throwing lures. Bro, you didn't tell me you was coming out here throwing no lures. No damn drop lines. Bro. You told me you was coming to lure fish, bro. You didn't tell me you had drop lines out here, man. Then you think I would have came out here with just this alone? If you had drop lines out here set up, bro. No drop line in your hand. The wind, where is it? I don't know where it fell. You see the line on the water floating? I've never lost my dick before. Something floating. How much, what did he weigh? Huh? No, bro, you need 30-pound line for that. I'm rolling with a... I'm using a 1/4-ounce spoon lure on my light, like Lawmo. I didn't use nothing too heavy on this. Cast in the wind. See if I can pick something up here for you people today. Spoon lure coming through that water looking nice. Oh shit, jackfish is running it down. Yep, I got a couple of jacks running me down a while ago. Jamaican shore fishing, this is what Jamaica's all about, people. Look at them. All our tourists coming back into place. This COVID situation been holding us down for a while. Let's wave to the tourists, people. All right, cool, cool, cool. I got a jackfish run down on a rig a while ago. Water's kind of rough for lure casting, guys, but let's see what's up. Almost got wet. No? Not really. Ooh! I ain't going in the water right now. You crazy, bro. Anyone my lure gets stuck, that bitch staying there today. Yeah, peoples. Yes? In trees and all kinds of shit. I've lost $50 lures, bro. Hell yeah, I was upset. I've lost bucktail jigs, bro. Oh, that spoon lure out here is a boss, boy. Oh, gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Ooh, long jaw. Woohoo, gotcha. Jamaican shore fishing. Wah Spoon lure killing, man. This is what's up. Jamaican shore fishing at you peoples. This was a nice catch. Houndfish, aka long jaw, long tongue. Yeah, man. Mash up. You ever ate him yet, Ricardo? Huh?
Didn't push any of that.
Hmm?
No idea. Huh?
Hmm?
Can put in that water make it stay fresh.
Hang tight. You can't hang tight. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Jamaican lure fishing. Yeah. That's what lure fishing is all about. Hoping I'll hook up on a nice jack out here. That was a nice long tongue. I mean, it's a small one compared to the bigger ones that's out there. But I normally keep them. They eat pretty good. So that's going to be dinner later. Alright, I almost got another one a while ago. You let go. Jack run down them on long jaw and barra. Yeah guys, Ricardo just called me out to come cast out a few lines, lure fishing a bit. Oh, I got something. I got something. Fish on. Fish on. A baby lizard fish. Look at this bad boy right here. See, I love lure fishing, man. Lure fishing is the best, peoples. This one got to go back though. Yo, these bad boys are ugly. Come look at him, Ricardo. Look how hoggish this little bad boy is, man. It's a lizard fish. And look at him, Ricardo. Look. Lizard fish, people. Bro, come out of my hand, sorry. He get slippery in my hand, man. We never want him bite me, boss. He have teeth, you know? Well, I got that on video. Spoon lure, people. That's what we using. Some treble hook. One of my most famous lures. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Look at this. Dog teeth snapper on a lure. He's kind of small. I'm gonna put him back still. But yeah, I just hit this bad boy on a lure a while ago. Pretty feisty, man. Look at him. Nice species of fish. Too bad he wasn't a little bit bigger. Hit him on the spoon lure, people. Look at this guy. Yep. Nice catch. Jamaican shore fishing, people. Yeah, let's let this guy back in the water. Go ahead, guy. Yeah, man. Catch and release, people. That's how we do it. Hit him on the thing a while ago. On the spoon lure. Hey, this spoon lure is versed, man. That's why I like using it.